IELTS Writing Mastery, Decoding Task Achievement and Task Response. Hey everyone! Today, we'll delve deep into the heart of the IELTS writing section. Our focus? Understanding the task achievement, for Task 1, and task response, for Task 2, scoring criteria. These are fundamental elements that can significantly influence your IELTS writing score, so let's dive right in. Task achievement and task response are two of the 4 criteria used by examiners to assess your IELTS writing tasks. Here's a simple breakdown. Task achievement. Task 1. This criterion assesses how appropriately, accurately, and relevantly your response meets the requirements set out in the task. In other words, did you complete the task as instructed? Task response. Task 2. For essays, this criterion focuses on the extent to which you answer the question, present a clear position, and back it up with supporting points and/or examples. 1. Understand the question. Always read the prompt carefully. Know what's being asked before diving into your answer. 2. Data interpretation. When given a chart, diagram, or graph, ensure you pick out and report the main features and make comparisons where relevant. 3. Avoid personal opinions. Task 1 is about presenting factual information. Save your personal opinions for Task 2. 1. Clear position. Your essay should have a clear thesis statement that outlines your position on the topic. 2. Supporting arguments. For every point you mention, back it up. Use examples, facts, or reasons to support your stance. 3. Address all parts of the prompt. If there are multiple questions in the prompt, ensure you answer all of them. 1. Going off topic. Stick to the question. It's easy to drift, especially when you feel strongly about a topic. 2. Overgeneralization. Avoid making sweeping statements without evidence. 3. Repeating ideas. Repetition won't fetch you more marks. Strive for a diverse range of ideas and vocabulary. And there we have it. The secrets to conquering task achievement and task response in the IELTS writing section. Remember, practice makes perfect. By understanding these criteria and practicing your writing, you'll be well on your way to achieving your desired IELTS score. We hope this video was insightful, and we're cheering you on in your IELTS journey.